Okay guys, so now I have everything mounted in here. Okay, it's this wire right here is going through this grommet. These are the feed wires for the halos and LEDs. These are already connected to my parking lights. So what I did is I connected my white and black wire right here that go into this. Sorry if it's shaky. To right there. So this wire goes directly to the halo. Okay. And this white wire is your positive for your running light LED, and the black is obviously your ground, and I just tied it in with some heat shrink. And this coming off the driver that you can see right here, that's mounted with a double side tape just plugs right in, and this goes to your strip. So all that'll be hidden in the housing. On the other side comes out the back. I'm gonna electrical tape this too, just to make sure it's really watertight. I use a red wire to extend it. I didn't have any orange, so just heat shrunk it. And then this, because it comes with these connectors here, what happens is this clamps onto your signal wire, which when you determine what wire is your signal wire coming off your light bulb, you clamp that down, it splices itself in, and then you just plug it in, plug this onto it. So if you ever need to take that lights off, you can unplug it. Simple. So that's with it wired in. Give me 1 second and I'll show you what it looks like. Let me connect this back to my keyboard here. And I'll show you what it looks like. I'm not going to connect this yet just because I have to get back in here to put the projectors in when they come. And when they come, I will make a video unboxing them so you guys can see what quality they are. See how they come. The companies, they sent me the wrong stuff to begin with, but if they make it right, whatever. Mistakes happen. Everybody's entitled to a bad day. But you can see I got the stuff here from the headlight that does come off with nail polish remover, which I'll show you in a minute. But you can see the strip coming around here. You can't see very little of the wires, so the glass is pressing up against it to also hold it in place along with the double-sided tape. So I mean, it is going to look nice. It's going to light up nice with all the LEDs. Let me get some nail polish remover and show you how that comes off without damaging it. So I live with two girls, so obviously I have, nail polish remover. This is the kind I use. It's called Onyx. I don't know. I mean, it's not what I use for my nails, but it's what I use for this. I don't paint my nails, thank God. It's not for me. But let's use a little bit here on a cotton ball. And you can see this right here. You just rub it off and it'll come right off. It does not damage the lens. I use it on my other one. You just want to take all that stuff off, because what happens is when you heat it up and you start taking it off from handling the headlight and prying it apart, it gets on there. It's gonna get on there, but luckily it comes right off, no issues. Good as new. I don't even need 2 cotton balls. But as you can see, the lens is completely clear now. Got the LED strip in there. So as soon as the projectors come in, I'll send you and upload that video of me opening those up. I'll do a video installing the actual lights. I did get an HID kit. Like I said, it's Zentech. I know people are about Zentech, but that's the whole reason I did the projector swap, was to go HID. So these are metal. They've gotten a lot better with the construction of these. This will get mounted in the truck, so everything will be good. It'll be sturdy. It should be reliable, and I'll keep you guys updated. I'm not one of these guys that's gonna lie to you and tell you something's reliable if it's not. I can only tell you off my experience with things. So if something doesn't work, or it's something to that extent, I'll let you know if I have any issues. But for now, We just gotta wait for the projectors to come in. So, talk to you then.